Getting out of the chair is as easy as grabbing the assist and helping you in the chair. As the assist is helping for the chair, simply leans on to the both areas and sits down. When not in use, it can be placed to the side for the next time. This is from Support Way. It is a durable, lightweight, portable, take anywhere on trips, vacations, and more to help and assist out of the chair, sofa, bathroom, bed, and more. It comes in a nice box you can put away. Everything needs to be assembled. Nice and easy instructions to follow. With the V-type shape and nice large rubbery bottom feet protected from slippage, with the support bar stays nice and steady and sturdy. Out of the chair, show them how this works. The bar assist, we're going to show you and demonstrate. A gentleman's going to get out of his chair with the assist bar that he never saw before. He's going to lift himself up and out.
And then you can walk with it easy. You got plenty of room.
As the assist is helping for the chair, simply leans on to the both areas and sits down. When not in use, it can be placed to the side for the next time. The assist walks like a cane from one chair to the next chair. If you're looking for a couch assist, bathroom assist, or just walking around or having something very portable to take with you with assistance, this may be something that you are after. Thank you for viewing.